Connecting Apify to Claude AI sounds complex, but once you see the flow, it's actually pretty straightforward. Welcome to SaaSBees Pro. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process to link Apify with Claude AI and start automating tasks like pro. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Claude from your desktop app. You definitely need the app version because the desktop or the browser version doesn't allow to connect any outsider apps with it. Okay, now from the top left corner, open the sidebar and here click on Customize. The option is at the very top, the third number. In my setup, you might be different, but the name is Customize. Now from the left side menu, click on Connectors, then click on Add at the very top right corner. From here, select Browse Connectors. In the search bar, type Apify. Here I found the app already. Click on it to open the Apify app. Now click on the Install button. Click Install. And you have to give some time while it's installing. Now we have to wait and I'll see you after it has installed the app or the extension version. Okay, after the installation is complete, from the left side bar, click on Extensions and you will see the Apify has officially appeared here as it has been installed successfully, but not successfully. There is still work to do. Now click on the Configure button beside the Apify option. It will open a new window. To proceed this thing, toggle the Enable button, and now we just need a Apify API token, which I'll teach you how you can get this as I'm getting mine. Okay, first open Apify from your browser. Make sure you are logged in with your account, as I'm logged in with my account I was using. From the left side panel, click on the Settings option. Now wait while it's configuring. From the above options, you will see Login and Privacy, API and Integrations, Organizations and all. From all the options, click on API and Integration. Here you will see your personal default API token created on sign up. Copy it. I'm not publishing my API key because it's sensitive information for every user, so do not unravel your API keys to anyone. Okay, now I have copied it. Again, click on the Claude desktop version where we have minimized the window. Now I have to paste the API key, which I have pasted. Now click on Save. As you can see, it is asking it to unable to connect to extension server. Please try to disabling and re-enabling the extension again. Okay, now we have to again toggle the enable button off. Then we have to again toggle the disable button enable. But if it doesn't work like this, you have to follow all the process again, which I have shown you from installing the device to copy the API key from the Apify section, because it needs quite a few tries to connect the Apify server. As you can see, after waiting some moment, it just connected by itself and I don't have to just install it, which is kind of technical problem, you can say. But yeah, it has finally enabled with my device and I'll be good to go. To really check if it has connected off permanently, to really check if it has connected successfully or not, you have to go back to the settings, the home page as usual, then click on the Customize option. From the left sidebar, click on Connectors and you will see the Apify is here, the type desktop, and there is tick mark. That means it's working properly, and you will see all the approvals it's asking for, and you can customize however you want. Yeah, that is all. I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Saspace Pro, and see you in another video. Bye!